Hi, welcome to Module 7. This is about truth functional logic. Truth functional logic is the idea that if you have a statement or you have statements, that if you break it down, you can translate it into symbolic form. And there's the certain symbols we use, the plus sign, the minus sign, the wedge, the horseshoe, and the triple bar. And these all show relationships between concepts. The bar means not, the wedge means or, the plus means and. And so if you're saying like A and B are true, then you say A plus B are true. And so then you also strip the language out by symbolizing any simple statement as like the letter A and, that kind of thing. And so what we do is we can then translate these statements into symbols, and we can then evaluate, well, if A is true and B is false, and it's A and B, well, then is A and B a true statement or a false statement? And we can learn methods of doing that. Now, the idea here is we can strip the language and then focus on the inferential claim and look at the truth value. And the idea is that that's basically what we're trying to do. The first module is just about translations. If you don't understand what these statements mean, then you're gonna have trouble with the next unit, which is asking you to then do truth tables. And so what we really want to focus on, the book and I think the online lesson has a little bit on truth tables and how you do it, which is good to get, but the exam is going to focus mainly on the translations. In most logic classes, what I do is I focus purely on translations, and I give an exam over that or a quiz over that, a fairly large point quiz, and then I actually do a quiz over doing the basic truth tables. And because once you learn those basics, then you can do bigger and bigger truth tables, and that makes it easier. Now this, if you notice, there are several videos. I think I have one or two sets of videos. I'm going to redo those videos this semester. I'm going to hold a review session. I'll redo the videos during the review session. So if you want to come in, that would be a great time to come in. But during those review sessions, I'll go over this material. If you want to watch the videos online, that would be good as well. There's maybe one or two different sets of videos. They're the same, just doing it different ways. The quality of the video is a little different. The reason I'm going to redo the videos is because I really want to raise the quality of the video. The video is sometimes hard to see because the reflection off the board, like the reflection off my head here, those kinds of things. And so, that's just the way that is. So I would recommend you watch those. That's several of those, but those are useful, and those will be helpful if, as a way of reviewing, understanding the ideas.